Hello guys, this is David Bailey with you again, and now I'm going to trade on binary option platform IQ Option on the huge deposit of $2,500, and I will try to win money on your eyes. I'm making the first bet, put bet, so I am just anticipating then the currency pair graph will go down right now, and I'm going to win $368 to my account. If it doesn't happen, I will increase my next bet. So this is the part of my strategy which I'm using during trading on IQ Option. It's called Martingale principle. So what am I doing? Every time which in case if I lose money, I lose any of my bets, my next bet has to be 2.5 times bigger than the previous one that I've lost. So now you've seen I have lost $200. So the next time I've put it the stake of $500. Now I'm waiting for the ending of this time when the currency pair graph reaches the expiration time, and then we know if I have lost or I have won. If I lose this time, and it's most likely that I'm going to lose this bet, so next time I will have to make a bet which is 2.5 times bigger again. So I have to make a bet $1,200. Here was the sharp movement to the top of the graph, so I've made a bet to the opposite direction. So you can remember this rule: if you see the sharp movement to one of the directions, you should better make a bet to the opposite direction, because it usually happens so that after sharp movement there is the correction movement to the opposite direction. Okay, and now it looks like we're going to win this bet, and we're going to win $2,208. So this strategy that I'm using, it allows me to win only one bet, so I can lose several bets in a row. As you have seen in my example, I have lost $200. After that I have lost $500, and then I have won the bets of $1,200, right? And I now have $2,800 in my account, so I have covered all my previous losses and got some profit. Alright, this is the main principle of my strategy, which I'm using in every video I'm making. Every day that I'm trading, I'm using this strategy. So I will repeat once again: if you lose any bet, the next one has to be 2.5 times bigger. If you win any bet, like in this case, I have won the last bet, so I get back to the to my first amount, to my initial amount of the bet, which is $200. Alright, so in this case, if you are using this system, if you are using these principles of Martingale trading system, you will, like you are reducing your risks. So most of the traders have to win 60 or 70% of their bets to stay profitable. In my case, I can allow myself to lose 2, 3, 4, 5, or even more bets in a row. But only once I win any bet, I will cover all my previous losses and get into profit. Okay, so I have enough money, like on my account, so I can afford start trading from $200. If you have less money on your account, you can, you know, like start trading from $100 or even $10. If you don't have enough money, you can just start trading from $100 or $10. So any amount you want, but you should remember that your bets, the amounts of your bets have to be proportionally to your deposit you have on your account. So if you have less money you have, less bets you make. Lower bets you make, I mean. Alright. Now I have already lost one bet of $200, and now I've made a bet of $500, and I hope that I will win this bet this time, and it looks like I'm going to win it. Alright, $920 just like that I've got right now. So after any win, I get back to my initial bet. In my case it was $200. In your case it can be less or more if you're a lucky one, if you have much money so you can afford bigger amounts of bets and bigger amounts of deposit. Okay, so the main principle is if we lose, we increase bets, we multiply it by 2.5. If we win any bets, we get back to our first bet. So I'm repeating it all the time, you know, like for anybody to understand it correctly. And okay, in the last second it crossed that line, but so we're late for the okay. The next bet is $500. So, you know, like in my case, in my strategy which I'm using, we're not analyzing forex markets very deeply. So, like good traders, maybe I'm a bad trader. No, it's a joke. Oh, we're late for this bet. Okay, we'll wait for the next minute. So, we don't analyze forex markets very deeply. Instead of this, we have like kind of perfect money management system, which allows us to stay profitable all the time. So this is no difference, you know, like what bets do you make, up or down. This money management system reduces our risks like to the zero, because as I told you, we're increasing all the time our bets. So anytime we win, we can lose several bets in a row, but once we win, we cover all our previous losses and get to profit. So it's an amazing thing, you know, like you don't have to win all the time to stay profitable. You can lose 3, 5, 6 bets, and after only one win, you will cover all your previous losses. But you know, in this system, you have to keep on your account the amount, the bigger amount, which can allow you to multiply any of your bets by 2.5. So you have to keep enough money on your account. Okay, you see that the strategy is working just correctly. So in these 8 minutes, you see, in these 8 minutes, I have started this video from $2,500, and now I have $3,248, like $750 profit, clear profit in this trading session, which is 9 minutes, you know, like about 9 minutes. So, all right, guys, I think we will stop on this making this video. You see all the links are below this video, so you can find it easily. You can start trading and just right away, just after finishing this video. But I have one more thing for you. There is bonus that you can get from the IQ option trading platform. You have secret link below this video which will give you a good bonus to the first deposit you make on IQ option if you are going to. If you are not going to make to trade on real money, you can anytime you can trade on demo account with no risks at all, and just to look around, you know, like in this platform, and then make a decision if you want to trade on real account or not. Alright, this was David Bailey with you today. I am glad you have watched this video. Thank you for your attention and good luck in your trading. Bye.